Just want to show you what is the fake sun right here over me as I'm showing you what is the Pomona City Hall. That's a state facilitating venue. That is the Pomona Courthouse. That's another state facilitating venue where I was subject to this criminal pattern of conduct, this sexual violence by an entity. Let me be clear, the judges, the attorneys, the people of the state engaging in surveillance inside of that venue, the entity keeping the fake sun over me surrounded with directed light, the same pattern of conduct that I am documenting now in its totality, the pattern of conduct as I remain subject to it, unbeknownst to me at that time, but nonetheless acquired what is ongoing documentation while the people of the state were monitoring me and the state actors inside of that venue monitoring in an official capacity as lawyers and attorneys. 5Z NR 594, and guess what that equals? You don't have a right to practice law or be even in a courtroom any longer. You're engaging in the federal group stalking and monitoring in an official capacity as a state actor to engage in this act of terrorism and sexually violent pattern of conduct. You're talking about what is already documented with regard to the fictitious prosecutions, as I've been subject to it. Pay attention to the fake sun. And I'm subject to the pattern of conduct inside of this venue. This is a matter of documentation while working with the law offices of Michael Bialis. All right, as I was subject to this in 2018. It's 9:31 a.m. That's criminal summoning you hear in the background. Demons just repeatedly sounding their sirens while they're going haywire as I'm documenting Los Angeles County right now. Let me be clear, 9:31 a.m. This is not the sun that's over me on March 16, 2022, at this time where it's over the McDonald's at 100 East Foothill Boulevard in the city of Upland, where it remains over me, as I documented, by the way. Going from McDonald's to the 99-cent store and then ultimately to the Upland Public Library. None of this is coexisting, nor is it present over me as I'm arriving in Fontana as I am already yesterday at this time. That's amplified audible activity. I will get that demon's license, but that's the one that was monitoring with Ernesto Serrano. That's Los Angeles Fire, vehicle 187. Notice how the siren stopped the moment that they passed me. All right, that's how you know that they're demons that are targeting. It's amplified audible activity. It's also occurring under the fake sun. And this is the demon whose license plate I already read, and this is the one that you deport out of the country while they are monitoring an American citizen. If they are not natural-born citizens, they are unworthy to remain here. Again, license 5E43836, monitoring. And remaining in a parking lot to engage in this act of terrorism, monitoring with FedEx, monitoring with the Los Angeles Fire Department, engaging in what is maintaining presence in this parking lot while the entity is hovering over by airplanes. Laughs about it today. I'm gonna ship him up out of this country tomorrow. Hope he finds that funny. That's P.O.C. These are demons that are unworthy. They don't even need to be here. All right, license 5E43836, monitoring with the minion that hops in the vehicle, crossing path while the fire department is sounding sirens and the entity is patrolling at low elevation over me. Let me be clear, the courthouse is over here. This is P.O.C. That's the fake sign. P.O.C.